Welcome to my first video blog, also known as a vlog. I will continue writing blogs, but on occasion will vlog when I think the topic would benefit from this format. Like my blogs, the blog will be short, no more than 4 minutes, and designed to give you my thoughts and perspectives on issues important to PSU. We've spent a lot of time this last academic year talking about and implementing performance-based budgeting, or PBB. I've blogged about PBB and given open forums. Many people have contributed to the implementation: the deans, Faculty Senate Budget Committee, folks in finance and administration, fiscal officers, and others. Although still a work in progress, we thought it time to share with those outside of PSU our experience to date in integrating strategic enrollment management planning, what we call SEM, and performance-based budgeting. My reason for vlogging on this is that I thought you, those at PSU, would like to hear how we framed our work to an external audience at the meeting for the Society of College and University Planners, also known as SCUP, in Chicago this summer. Kevin Reynolds, our VP for Finance and Administration, Alan Finn, our Associate VP for Budget, and I did a joint presentation at the meeting on how PSU has integrated strategic enrollment management planning and performance-based budgeting. We shared a brief history of how PSU came to integrate SEM and PBB. We shared some of the tools developed and talked about the lessons we have learned. And of course, we showed our PBB video, which can also be found on the Academic Affairs website. Our key message was the same, one that we have made on campus. First and foremost, performance-based budgeting is about the Education and General Fund budget, or E&G, and not about research, philanthropic gifts, and the fees part of the budget. It is a very different approach than PSU had from the past. Instead of deciding on E&G budgets and then having academic units try to figure out what they can do with those resources, we now have academic units strategically determine what they can or need to do to support student success and completion and build the E&G budget to accommodate those needs. Our presentation at SCUP was well received. We learned that a number of other universities are working through similar processes, but also that others had yet to move from incremental-based budgeting. The session evaluations told us that the audience appreciated learning about PSU's new and progressive way of thinking about budgets, and there was a lot others could learn from some of the challenges we faced in making this change. It was good for us to reflect on how far we've come in moving away from our incremental and, for a number of years, decremental-based budget model. It also reminded us of the work ahead. We have only 1 year of integrated SEM and PBB under our belt. Our tools need refining, our timeline needs work, and we need to figure out how to deal with the years of growth in areas without commensurate budget increases. But I'm not at all discouraged by what we need to do. On the contrary, I'm very encouraged that so many on campus have sought to understand how we have integrated SEM into our new E&G budget model and have made it work and suggested improvements. We're grateful for the talent of those that have and continue to work on the tools needed. If you have a chance, you might flip through the slides we presented at the SCUP meeting listed on the blog below. Though of course you'll be missing what we personally brought to the presentation. Also, stay tuned for upcoming Academic Affairs budget forums similar to the ones done last term. The first one will be in November. Details will be posted in advance in PSU's Currently and are on our Academic Affairs website. Thank you.